Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a summer inspired golden eye look with a brown, kind of smoked out wing liner. So this is the look that I'm going to show you today. And before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids like I always do. I have been using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre for years now. As you can see, my right eye still has eczema on it. I'm so sick of it, guys. But I think I'm a step further to finding out what it is that's causing it. So I did an allergy test, and first I thought it was a allergy for gel polish, which turned out not to be it. But I have noticed every time I eat banana, strawberries, or if I eat at my fiance, his mom's house, I get a really bad eczema. So it's one of those products, or maybe all of those things. I don't know, but I'm trying to avoid those particular food things that I think are causing it. And my eczema is already a lot better. So fingers crossed, I will keep you guys updated about that. But I'm using this beautiful palette today, which I will link down in the description bar. It's by Christina, and I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I have done another video using this a while ago, which is one of my favorite eye looks I've ever filmed. I will link that video down in the description bar if I can find it. It's such a beautiful, soft glam look. Really one of my favorite looks I've ever done. Definitely something I would wear as bridal makeup. So today I wanted to use that same palette again, but this time go for more like a warm, kind of golden type of eye look, because the previous one, which was like a little bit more using the cooler shades like from the palette, and I just really enjoyed using the palette because the end result was so pretty. So that's why I used this palette today. And also I follow the owner of the brand on Instagram, and I absolutely love her, so I also wanted to support her brand. So now I'm going to go in with this kind of like light champagne color and apply that in the inner corner. So first I used a light color all in the crease. Then I went in with a darker color at the outer V. And now I'm going to go in with this color at the inner corner. So first I used the brush, but using your fingers just works so much better. And then for the center part of the eyelid, I'm going in with this color, which has a little bit more of that golden undertone, more of that yellowy undertone that gold has. So I'm going to use my finger again and like blend it over the middle part, and then use that brush that I used earlier with whatever's left on it and just blend it along the edges. Then now I'm going to go in with this warm brown color, which is a little bit darker than the previous colors, and now I'm going to use this to create my wing liner. So you can also use like a blending brush to create your wing liner, which will give it even more of a smudged effect. I just wanted to go for like a brown shade for my eyeliner, because in one of my previous videos I used black eyeliner. So to kind of like switch things up, I like to go in with brown eyeliner now and then as well, because I know not everyone likes black eyeliner. So brown eyeliner, I personally really like it, because especially for my eye color, it really makes my eye stand out more. But I think it looks also really beautiful on green eyes, brown eyes. And what you could even do if you have brown eyes, you can go in with a dark purple, you know, kind of like that purple aubergine kind of shade that will look super pretty as well. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I applied it underneath the eyes and also underneath that wing liner that I created, just to make it look a little bit more cleaned up and a little bit more sharper. It's not really necessary, but I'm just a perfectionist, so I wanted to make it look more neat. Then going in with that same color, but this time using a Sigma flat definer brush and using this all the way underneath the lower lash line. I actually think there's no video of me on YouTube where I don't use this brush. For my crease and stuff, I always use different blending brushes. I switch from a smaller to a bigger one, but the E50 flat definer brush, I use it always. So I think that's definitely like my most used brush. So then I went in with a blending brush and smudged out everything even more, just to make everything look more soft, because the E50 by Sigma is like more nice to apply the eyeshadow, and then I always go in with a tiny blending brush to smudge it out. Then for my waterline, I'm going to go in with this pencil from Khouzami, which is kind of like a beautiful golden bronzy shade, super pretty. It's one of his newest collection. So he came out with multiple eye pencils in all different kind of shades, and the one that I'm using right now is one of my favorite. So then I went in with my lash curler, and then I went in with my favorite mascara, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara. And I'm only going in with mascara today. I'm not going in with like any fake lashes. Of course, if you're recreating this, you can definitely go in with fake lashes. That will make the look even more glamorous. But I wanted to keep it a little bit more on the softer side. So this is the final result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you did like how it turned out and what you want to see next. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of